Most students show up to their first week of college completely unprepared. Not because they're lazy, but because nobody actually told them what to set up before day one. These are the 5 things I wish I had done before my semester started. Number 1, get a system for your assignments. The biggest mistake students make is relying on memory or random sticky notes. Before school even starts, write down every class you're taking and create a single place where all your deadlines live. Color code them by priority, urgent, upcoming, and someday. When everything is visible in one place, you stop missing things. Number 2, track your grades from day 1. Most students only check their grades when it's too late to do anything about them. Start a simple grade tracker at the beginning of the semester. Log every assignment score as it comes in. This way you always know exactly where you stand, and you can act early if something is slipping. Number 3, build a daily habit system. College is the first time most people live without structure imposed on them. That freedom is amazing, but it can destroy your productivity. Pick 3 small habits to do every single day. Even 10 minutes of reviewing notes, drinking enough water, and getting to sleep before midnight. Small and consistent beats intense and irregular every time. Number 4, sort your budget before you need to. Financial stress is one of the top reasons students lose focus on their studies. Before school starts, write down your monthly income and your fixed expenses. Then give every remaining dollar a job. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware. Number 5, centralize everything in one place. The students who struggle most are the ones jumping between 5 different apps, 3 notebooks, and a dozen browser tabs. Pick one system and put everything inside it. Your assignments, grades, habits, budget notes, everything. Personally, I use Notion for all of this. I actually built a complete student planner template that covers every single thing I just mentioned. 15 pages, all linked together, works on your phone and laptop. If you want to skip building it yourself, the link is in the description. It takes 2 minutes to set up, and it's ready for day 1. Start your semester prepared. Future, you will thank you.